So next one, if flower bracket of p denotes the fractional part of the number p. This flower bracket of p denotes the fractional part of this number. Then fractional part of 3 power 200 by 8 is equal to 5 by 8, 7 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. So this represents fractional part of 3 power 200 by 8. Okay. So first of all, we take 3 power 200 by 8 separately, and we have to simplify like this: 3 power 200. So this can be written as 1 by 8 of 3 square whole power 100. 3 square whole power 100, and this is equal to 9 power 100, and this is equal to 1 by 8 of 1 plus 8 whole power 100. Okay. 9 power 100 can be written as 1 plus 8 whole power 100, and this is in the form 1 plus x whole power n, which is our standard binomial. Okay. Here n is integer. Here x means 8. So 8 is also an integer. Now we have to apply the formula of standard binomial to expand this 1 plus 8 whole power 100. The formula is like this: 1 plus x whole power n means 1 plus nc1 into x, nc2 into x square, nc3 into x cube, and so on like this. Okay. Here n means the power of the binomial, which is equal to 100, and x means 8. So apply the formula, we get like this: 1 by 8 of 1 plus, the first term is 1 here, nc1 means 100c1, 100c1 into x means 8, nc2 means 100c2, x square means 8 square, nc3 100c3 into x cube means 8 cube, like this. The expansion is continued like this. Okay. And we have to express this 1 by 8 into 1, that means 1 by 8, and from second term to up to last we take 8 as common. Okay. That means 1 by 8 of 8. The remaining expansion is like this: 100c1 plus 100c2 into 8 power 1 plus 100c3 into 8 square, and so on. That means we take 8 as common from second term to entire expansion. Okay. So this is like this. Cancel the like terms, 8 and 8. So by observing this, 1 by 8 means it is nothing but fraction. Okay. It is fractional part. And what about this 100c1 plus 100c2 into 8, 100c3 into 8 square? We know that 1 plus x whole power n, which is equal to 1. 1 means it is an integer. And these nc1, nc2, nc3 and so on, ncr. We know that ncr is always an integer. Okay. It is an integer. And here x is also an integer. X means 8. So totally here x is integer and n is integer. So totally this expansion is always integer. Okay. So that's why here 100c1 plus 100c2 into 8 power 1 plus 100c3 into 8 square and so on like this. So whatever maybe it is always integer. Okay. So it is integer part. So FP stands for fractional part, IP stands for integral part. Okay. So this is integer and this is fraction, and we need the fractional part of this number 3 power 200 by 8. So flower bracket of 3 power 200 by 8 means it is nothing but it represents the fractional part of the number p. Okay. That's why here the fractional part means it is nothing but 1 by 8. So this is the fractional part and this is the integer part. Okay. We need only fractional part of this number. That's why the answer is 1 by 8. Therefore option D is the right answer. Okay. Thank you.